Hello, welcome. We're going to have a little fun with this video. I'm actually in the classroom and I will sort of walk around the classroom, maybe simulating as if you were here in person. So for chapter one, it's basically just a very brief introduction to some networking terms in general. And so I'm just going to identify some of those terms that you should be familiar with by the time you finish chapter one. Things that you interact with on a regular basis. Internet. Have you ever thought what is the definition of internet? How would that actually be defined on a quiz? Data, information, words that you may have heard a lot like bit or byte, kilobyte, megabyte, gigabyte, terabyte. Those of you who pretty much most every country on the planet except the U.S. may already be familiar with those prefixes, kilo, mega, giga, tera, etc. But make sure you're aware of those terms, what they mean. Bandwidth, latency, throughput. Those are some interrelated terms. And then different models that we use for networking. Sometimes we call it the server-client model or a peer-to-peer network. So be aware of those terms. IP address. We'll use that quite a bit throughout the semester. Different types of network cables, or what we call media. So that could be light, meaning fiber optic type cables, or Ethernet, or radio waves. Different ways that different things that are used to communicate the actual message, whether it's wires or light or radio waves. And then also some basic networking tools that are used, such as ping, net, stat, trace route. So those are some basic glossary terms. Chapter one is very, very introductory, and we'll get into more depth as we continue throughout the text. Thanks.